Alright, mate?
No. No, I'm not. See, you're in the club, you're hanging out with the women, you're buying them drinks, you're talking and you're dancing. They just don't stay around.
It's the thing, mate, you try too hard. Women don't want a guy who tries. You gotta play it cool. Like I do.
Like you're doing right now?
Yeah.
Please.
The fact is, approaching a woman in a club has become a cliche. You're never going to pull a girl in a bar, her defences are too high. You've got to approach her when she's not expecting it.
Like at a funeral?
I don't know, more like casual. Say next time you're in Tesco's, you're reaching for the washing up liquid, she's reaching for the same bottle, and your hands just touch. Physics will take care of the rest.
You mean biology?
Yeah, whatever, I don't even like geography.
Whatever.
Club card accepted. Notes are dispensed below the scanner. Please take your change. Unexpected item in bagging area. Remove this item before continuing.
All of your Tesco points add up.
What?